Stocks that perhaps you should watch out for is the Amtek group. Pull up Castex, Amtek and Metallist Forgings. All those three stocks seeing significant amount of rise today. Let's address this group. There was a board meeting on February 25th. Varinder, take us. What happened, and is there anything more that we should expect from the Amtek group?
Well, a series of board meetings have happened on Thursday, and management on exchanges have mentioned that most of them are going through a restructuring exercise wherein the company will be issuing shares to the promoters. Now, there are few reports which are moving around, and this is very, very clear that that the entire group wants to get out of the debt burden what they are on. For Amtek Auto itself, it's nearly 13,500 crore of debt. Reports are now suggesting, and I had a word with the management as well. They said that they will be making this amply clear in the next 2 days or so in terms of the official release coming on the exchanges. The thing is that reports are suggesting that the three companies, which is Amtek Auto, Castex and Metallist, they could be merged together. The reason is that that there will be a new investor who will be coming in the entire company, and even now the promoters are issuing shares to them and thus putting money into these companies. That means I'm told that the price per share for issuance for Amtek Auto could be as high as 50 rupees per share. And if that happens, and if there is the merger happens between all the three companies, the banks have already given their nod in terms of restructuring, revival plan for the entire Amtek group. The number which is going around in the report stated is that the debt could come down from 13,500 crore to 3,500 crore. This, of course, will include sale of that German unit, which is Tech for around $900 million. So a lot of things are going around in this group. But, again, at the price of 35 rupees, which the stock is trading around, once it used to trade at 350 rupees, if at all the company is able to do what they are telling or indicating at this moment, if the merger goes through, if the new investors comes in, if the price which the promoters are pumping in the money is actually 50 rupees per share, which will come to in the next 2 days, if all this is true, this could be one of the group in terms of the price movement to keep in action on what has been happening in some other indebted restructuring kind of cases. These are the things which are keeping this alive, and we'll be waiting for an official announcement soon from the management in terms of this. If the debt comes down to 3,500 crore, that will be a big trigger for this group.
Okay, Varinder, thanks a lot for that.